Hi and welcome. First off, thank you so much for choosing the Venfouri Digital Habit Tracker. I'm really grateful to have you here. Today, I will walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. Step 1. Make a copy. Alright, let's get started. Open the spreadsheet file you received from Venfouri. You will notice it's currently in view-only mode, so we cannot make any change yet. To make it editable, just go to File in the top menu, then click Make a Copy. Step 2. Save the file. Now, save this copy to your own Google Drive. Feel free to rename it to anything you like. I personally recommend using your name so it's easier to find later. For example, Venfouri Habit Tracker Sarah or My Habit Tracker Venfouri. Step 3. Personalize it. Once it's open, start by typing your name at the top. Then select the year and month you want to track, and just like that, your tracker is all set. Step 4. Daily Habits. Next up are your daily habits. This is where you will list the habits you want to build this month. Each day, when you complete one, simply click the checkbox. Watch your progress bar fill up as you go. It's a small win that keeps you motivated. Step 5. Grow your plant. Right below that, you will see a cute little plant section. You can choose to grow a sunflower, a cactus, or a tree. Pick whichever one inspires you the most. Think of it as a visual reminder that your habits are growing too. Step 6. Water Tracker. Let's talk hydration with the water tracker. I have included egg checkbox here. Each one represents one glass of water. So checking all egg means you have hit egg glasses or about 2 liters for the day. That's our goal, 2 liters daily. The tracker will automatically count how many glasses you have had each day and show your overall progress and decide. Step 7. Mood Tracker. Now for the mood tracker, at the end of each day, just select the emoji that best describe how you feel. Feeling excited? Pick the excited face. Had a tough day? Choose the sad one. Over time, this helps you spot pattern in your mood. Step 8. Sleep Tracker. Next, just select how many hours you slept last night. Your sleep data will then automatically show up in the progress chart on the side. Step 9. Use it every month. The best part, you can use this tracker every single month. You don't need a new file, just duplicate the current sheet. Update the month and year and you are good to go. Step 10. Customize in settings. Finally, head over to the setting tab. This is where you can make the tracker truly yours. Want to change the emojis, adjust sleep target, swap plan image, or set a different year? You can customize all of that right here. And that's it. That's the full walkthrough of the Venfouri Habit Tracker. Thank you again for your support. I hope this tool helped you stay consistent, track your growth, and build habits you're proud of. I will see you in the next one. Bye!